Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, broskis and sisters, to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you to the channel. Before we start, I want to say happy celebrations, happy Christmas to those of you who are celebrating Christmas, and for those of you who are not celebrating Christmas, happy celebrations, happy season, happy festive season. It's almost the new year, so yeah. By the way, yeah, and if you didn't know, on this channel we react to funny comedy, funny TikTok comedies and compilations. Basically, we just try to have a laugh and just chill. We will start reacting to music as well. I did try to react to one the last time, like I said in the previous video, and it got blocked due to copyright infringement. So I don't know if we can do that on the channel, but we'll try reacting to some music. But for now, let's react to this content that I found and see if we can have some laughter. Okay.
Un acierto. Dos aciertos.
No, estos no son. Yo creo que el acierto es el verde aquí.
Oh.
El verde.
Un acierto.
El verde es el acierto. No, no, no me es el verde. El verde es el acierto.
Dos aciertos.
El verde es el que va
No,
aquí.
el verde va aquí. No, es que dijo un acierto. A ver, mira. ¿Cuántos aciertos hay?
Un acierto.
El verde. No me
Y
toques
si
el
lo
verde.
pongo aquí así,
No me...
así.
Dos aciertos.
Entonces el verde, porque yo ahora
No
lo puse.
es, el verde va aquí. Tú eres terco.
Dos aciertos.
Verde y amarillo.
Verde y amarillo.
Sí.
Dos.
Un acierto.
No.
el fucsia va aquí.
No, esto no tiene nada que ver. A ver.
I'm so confused right now. I don't even know. I
Cero
don't know if
acierto.
I don't know if
Dos
¿Viste?
aciertos.
Son estos dos.
No, es el verde y hay que encontrar cuál es
Pero-
el otro.
I'm so confused right now. I don't know if they are trying to match the colors or if they are trying to not match the colors, because I don't understand Spanish first of all, but with how it's going, I think like they are trying to match the colors. That was what I would think, right?
Espera, espera.
Cero acierto.
Mira, el fucsia aquí. Aquí hay uno. Y aquí hay dos.
No, Ramón.
Este y este.
¿Ya?
Sí.
Dos aciertos.
No, es el verde y no sé cuál es el otro, pero ya lo vamos a buscar.
Un acierto, disculpa. Un
Uno.
acierto, sí.
Puede ser este. Este,
El morado.
sí.
Dos aciertos.
Dos.
No, el verde no me lo va a
She's making me cringe, bruh. The woman is making me cringe. What is you doing?
Un acierto.
Está difícil la cuestión.
Dos
El verde va
aciertos.
aquí.
No, está difícil la cuestión. Ya va. ¿Así cuánto hay?
Ahí hay un acierto.
Huh?
Tres aciertos.
Tres. Hay tres. Este es un
Ya
acierto.
va, ya va. ¿Y ahorita cuánto hay?
Dos aciertos.
¿Qué está pasando?
Porque este va aquí.
No, 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 no,
Aquí.
no, 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 no,
Este va aquí, ¿verdad?
¿Ya? Sí, Juan. Tres aciertos.
Listo.
no, 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 no. ¿Y aquí cuánto hay?
Cuatro aciertos.
Cuatro. ¿Cuáles son? ¿Cuáles
No, tú
son?
estás perdido. El verde no me lo toques.
¿Qué son estos dos?
Tres aciertos.
No me lo toques, Ramón.
¿Cuál?
Mis jugadas no me las toques. Tanto tiempo que vamos a durar aquí bichando esto y no vamos a durar toda la eternidad aquí haciendo esto.
Es que yo.
Esto yo te lo puedo hacer en un minuto, rapidito, así. Tú vas a ver, pero déjame pensar, déjame concentrarme.
I understood that when I can't think, so no compensare.
El verde yo creo que va aquí.
No, no, es el verde va aquí. A ver, ya.
She just did the same thing.
Yo voy a hacer esto nada más por hacer.
And the man couldn't even talk anymore. He just had to shake his head because if he said something, she would take it off again.
Sí, acierto.
Te gané. Te gané. ¿Quién ganó, jurado?
Ganó Carlos.
She said, Pegame. That's like because of me. Bro, no, that's not because of you. This thing could have been done long time ago. You just made it longer than it should. Pegame. What? No. No pegative. No.
Perdió.
So manipulative, man. That's crazy. Okay. These are a group of ladies trying to play the game of football. They can't seem to kick the ball. Even some dudes in there can't kick the ball. And now they're fighting. Wigs are flying. She hit the ball and she's crying. The referee's life is in danger. He's giving out a cat. Ooh, he got slapped. Taking a penalty, okay. Stretching.
La caca.
What happened to the video? What? Down just went off.
La caca.
Okay, that's Christmas firework. Ooh.
Mama.
Grandma is knocked out.
Mama.
Like knockout.
What's happened?
Mama.
This Moscow, you know the year what? You see, you the blow knockout now. You don't knock this woman down.
Mama.
Mama,
Yeah.
mama, 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 you go carry her.
Happy Christmas.
They pranked his ass. Happy Christmas. Yeah. That's a good Christmas joke. Ovasabi. For those who don't understand pidgin, Ovasabi basically means how do you even translate that? Someone who does more than necessary. Yes. Ovasabi.
How are you doing? What's your name?
Mommy, my name is Bola. Mommy, in fact, I'm from Ondo. My mommy, she's from Ekiti. But when she married my father, she became Ondo, so all of us were from Ondo.
So much information for me to process.
Yes.
That's what Ovasabi does.
Cooking, let me assist you. In fact, I can cook, I can clean, I can even wash clothes. I can be washing your clothes every weekend. Yes, since I want to marry Wale, there's nothing else.
You don't worry about that. I have someone to handle. What is the monologue? Wale, quickly help me to go and switch over.
Mommy, I can do it. No, don't you worry. We have somebody that does. We have a technique we use.
That's what you get for doing too much. It'll be your first time in India and you're trying to eat an Indian street food where they basically wash their hands. And this one just took it to the extreme. Pour sand into the food. Okay. Bruh. Nah, this is no shade or no hate to Indians, but if I ever go to India, I'm definitely not eating any street food. It's not like, because from what I see, videos that I see, bro, nah, I wouldn't do
A
it.
Nigerian and a Ghanaian and Chinese guys were caught drinking around a village where drinking was not allowed. And they got caught by the tribemen and they were brought up to the chief. The chief said, "You guys are gonna be punished for drinking in our village. Each one 50 flocks. But since you're all foreigners, I'm gonna grant you one wish each." The Chinese man said, "I want a pillow tied on my back." After 15 stroke, the pillow tore and he had the flogging of his life. The Ghanaian saw that happening, so he wished for 2 pillows tied on his back. After 30 strokes, it was torn too, and he got the flogging of his nightmares. The chief noticed the Nigerian guy, and he said to him, "Since you're Nigerian and my father-in-law is Nigerian, I'm gonna grant you 2 wishes." The Nigerian said, "Okay, my first is to get 100 stroke, not 50. The Ghanaian guy looked at him and he said, Dude, you are the most stupid man ever. You are so stupid. I can't imagine how stupid you are. And he said, my second wish is to tie the Ghanaian on my back. Have a good day.
Wow. That is really mean. That is really mean. I didn't know the Nigerian and Ghana beef got that bad. That's really mean. If if that was to ever happen, that's mean, bro.
So bien. Ah, you look so fine.
Thank you, sweet boy.
Sweet boy. I never see your face around.
I live in this neighborhood.
This wood.
Yes, I do.
Ah. Allow me to be your ROH.
What's ROH?
Normal Robin Hood now because I like PBF.
What's PBF?
Normal personal baby female now. How the one in the beats. Normally. So I'm like, what is season? Where you the head front?
Yeah, I'm going down the street to get my Christmas hair.
That street.
Yes, that's where I get my hair from. That's my personal
I get
plug.
personal plug shower because I like my PBF. They look natural.
No. I have a plug already, so you can just
follow
follow
me
me
shop
down.
for me. I like me to come and do the straight over, your straight and the line and hair ruler.
No, I don't want that.
You don't want that?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. You go to move.
You can just follow me.
I want the like do the follows. This is what they like.
No, you have to follow me.
This I know they like go move. Don't be say you tell me boss agree to. You touch that guy. So yeah.
I don't have to do the follows.
Musa talk say in transfer no dey work, so everybody gats pay for him thing. Musa talk say in transfer no dey work, so everybody gats pay for him thing.
That's one news you don't ever want to hear.
Nothing spoil. Wait till we drink. I said wait till we drink.
Wazoo.
Don't worry.
Three bottles, bro.
Which one? You say waiting? Which loud? Which loud? Na Canadian. 50K per stick.
So
Yeah,
your bill
that's
is 5,675,000.
God.
We can use the POS. You can.
God save me. Save me, God. This is not that. Everybody free. Yeah. Una dey sell fake as well Canadian for here, but stop all transactions now. We're shutting down this club until we're done with our investigation. If you're not a staff, evacuate this premises right now.
What if you left me? What if they killed me? I am over. Yanako. What if they killed me? What if I died?
Yo, that is the greatest miracle in the history of miracles. This miracle is greater than Jesus turning water into wine. This miracle is greater than Moses splitting the Red Sea. This miracle is greater than Lazarus coming back to life. This miracle is crazy. Do you know how that feels? Downing 3 bottles of Azul and Canadian Loud, 50K per stick, raw, and then 5 million in debt. Like at that same point, now that came in, like you will give your life to Christ on that day. Even if you're an atheist, you will give your life to Christ on that day. Like, hey, yo, that's mad. Bro had to cry. Let me watch this scene. And this part is crazy.
What if they killed me?
Look at his eyes. Look how red they are.
What if they killed me? What if I died?
Everywhere good, nothing spoil.
Damn.
Everywhere good now. Who's going to up? No be my guy. He see me yesterday, say mama dey ask of me. Say mama say he don't tell me, see me, say whether me I travel. I say I no travel, say I dey. He say me I call greet him mother. I come, I see the woman. I say he don't more compliment of the season. Could you believe that I just dey talk compliment of the season? I saw their last ball carry knife come outside, won't choke me. Say won't choke me knife, you won't bleed me. Next thing mama say me no move, oh, say me move, the pikin go bust cry. Before you know. Wait, so what you call so? Hey, let's go. Look your back. I know now. Chemist I dey go.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Where are you from? I'm from Benin.
The Beanie babe.
That's a long way from here. You're far from home. Wow. Which university did you finish from? I attended LEU. Wait,
Laval University from Quebec City, from Canada.
Mommy, no.
No, not
not
Canada. Lord Doki Akintola University. Lautech. Oh, okay. From Lautech.
Baby.
I don't even understand what these young boys are singing nowadays. I know him. You know him? That's Charlie Poppy. Yeah,
That's our guy.
He's a Benin boy. He's from Benin. Okay, that makes sense to him.
Man, Mount.
No sharp, man. If you
No
not
sharp.
sharp, if you not collide, then you
No
won't
sharp.
laugh. If you're not talking, then you don't cap. Pluto wait, not
On the show for map. Man, do it on the show for map. Pluto wait on the show for map. Voila. Charlie. I should be making these skits longer. Yeah, they are short. But anyway, Pluto waiting on the show for now. Yeah, that's all we have for now. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I'll see you guys on the other videos. Once again, happy celebrations, happy festive season. As the year is ending, may all our wahalas, all our troubles end alongside the year, and may 2024 be a new beginning to greater heights for every one of y'all. Y'all feel me? We out. Peace out, man.